Now we are doing problems on Spearman's rank correlation quotient. So already we know that the Spearman's rank correlation quotient here denoted by rho, which can be written as 1 minus 6 into summation di square by n into n square minus 1. So here di is representation for the difference of two ranks and n is representation for number of observations. Okay. Suppose here the ranks are, if they are not repeated, we are using this formula. If the ranks are repeated, we are using another formula for Spearman's rank correlation. Rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation di square plus mi into mi square minus 1 by n into n square minus 1. Okay. So here di means the difference between two ranks and mi means ith observation repeated, that can be we are represented by mi, and n is known as the number of observations. So using these two formulas we are finding the Spearman's rank correlation quotient. So this Spearman rank correlation quotient also always lies between -1 and +1 only. Okay, so now you are doing problems on the Spearman's rank correlation quotient. See the first problem, calculate the Spearman rank correlation quotient to the following data. They are giving x values are 72, 86, 86, 78, 92, 98, 70. And y values are 69, 64, 85, 90, 96, 54, 76. See here, first of all, for the given data, we have to give the ranks of the given data. So for this, we are constructing the table here, x values and given y values, we have to write down here. The x values are 72, 86, 83, 78, 92, 98, 70, and the y values are 69, 64, 85, 90, 96, 54, 76. So now we are giving the ranks of x and ranks of y value. When you are giving the ranks of x values, so we have to select the maximum value. For that value we are giving rank is equal to 1. So here 72, 86, 83, 78, 92, 98, 70. So in this 98 is the maximum value. So we are giving rank for this one is 1. And the rank of x we are represented by Rx. We are giving for 98 is first rank. And the next maximum is 92. We are giving rank 2. Next maximum is 86. We are giving the rank is 3. And next is 83, 4. And the next maximum is 78. We are giving 5. And the next maximum is 70. We are giving 6. And the next maximum is 70. We are giving the rank is equal to 7. Okay. Same as it is, we are giving the ranks for y values also. That y values rank is we are represented by Ry. And the maximum value of this one is 96 is the maximum. We are giving rank is 1. The next maximum is 90. We are giving rank is 2. And the next maximum is 85. We are giving rank is 3. And the next value 69, 64, 54, 76. 74 is the max, 76 is the maximum. We are giving the next rank is 4. And the next 54, 64, 69, 69 is the maximum. We are giving rank is 5. Next is 64 and 54. 64 is the maximum value. We are giving next after 5 we are getting 6. And the last least value is 54. We are giving the rank is 7. See here, any one of the rank is repeating or not. Here no value is repeated, so it is not repeated data. So after finding the ranks, next we are finding di values. So di means the difference of the deviation of x ranks and y ranks. So that can be written as Rx minus Ry. So now 6 minus 5 is 1. 3 minus 6 minus 3, 4 minus 3 1, 5 minus 2 3, and 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 7 is minus 6. 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay. So next step we are finding di square. We are taking the squares of these values. We get 1 square 1 minus 3 whole square 9. 1 square 1. 3 square 9. 1 square 1 minus 6 whole square is 36 and 3 square is 9. So here we know that our formula is if the ranks are not repeated, the Carnevier's. If ranks are not repeated, the Spearman's rank correlation quotient formula is rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation di square by n into n square minus 1. So these are the di square values. We are summing all these values, we get summation di square. So now we are calculating this one using calculator. 1 plus 9 plus 1 plus 9 plus 1 plus 36 plus 9. This value is equal to 66. This is the value for summation di square. So now we are substituting into the formula. So rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into 66 by n into n square minus 1. So n means number of observation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 observations are we are having. So since n is equal to 7, we are substituting 7 into 7 square minus 1. Now we are simplifying this one. 1 minus 6 into 66 is 396 by 7 into 7 square is 49. 49 minus 1 is 48. Right? So 396 divided by 7 into 48. This value is equal to 1.1785 minus 1. We get rho is equal to minus 0.1785. So this rho values lies between minus 1 and plus 1. So this is the Spearman's rank correlation quotient for the given data. Next problem. 10 recruiters were subjected to a section test to ascertain their suitability for a certain course of training. They are giving some training. At the end of the training, they were given recruits in the section test that can be taken as test is we are taken as X, and in the proficiency test, that means Y can be taken as a proficiency test. Are given below, test the correlation. They are asking test the correlation after training. Okay. So X values means here test and Y value means after testing what they are performing. That means proficiency test they are taken. Okay. So now we want to test the correlation. That means using the Spearman's rank correlation quotient, we are finding the rho value. Right. So for finding rho value here, we want to construct a table. For finding Spearman's rank correlation quotient, first we want to construct a table. So in table we are taking X values and Y values. Okay. So write down the X values here. 1, 15, 12, 17, 13, 16, 24, 14, 22 and 20. Okay. So the corresponding we are giving the values for Y also. The corresponding we are taking the values of Y. They are given 30, 42, 45, 46, 33, 34, 40, 35, 39, 38. So X and Y values are there given. So now we want to give the rank code these X values and Y value. So X values rank is here represented by Ri. So select the maximum value of this one. So which one is the maximum here? 24 is the maximum. We are giving rank is 1. Next, the next maximum is 22, we are giving the rank is 2. Next is 20, this is 3. Next is 17, 4. 16, 5. 15, 6. 14, 7. 13, 8. 12, 9, and for 1 we are giving the rank is 10. Okay, so maximum values we are giving the starting ranking and corresponding we are giving like this. Next, RY means we are giving the ranks of Y values. So which one is the maximum value? 30, 42, 45, 46, 33, 34, 40, 35, 39, 38. So 46 is the maximum, we are giving rank is 1. The next maximum 45 we are giving rank 2. Next maximum is 42, we are giving rank is 3. Next is 40, this is 4. Next maximum is 38. 39 is the next maximum, we are giving 5. Next 38, 6. 35, 7. 34, 8. 33, 9. And 30 is the rank 10. Right? So after giving the ranks of x and y values, then we are finding the deviation of x ranks and y rank. So the deviation is here represented by di, can be written as rxi minus ryi. So that is 10 minus 10, 0. 6 minus 3, 3. 9 minus 2, 7. 4 minus 1, 3. 8 minus 9, minus 1. 5 minus 8, minus 3. 1 minus 4, minus 3. 7 minus 7, 0. 2 minus 5, minus 3. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. So for this di values we want to find out di square, that means squaring of these values. 0 square is 0, 3 square 9, 7 square 49, 3 square 9, minus 1 whole square is minus 1 to minus 1 is plus 1, minus 3 square is plus 9, 9, 0, 9 and 9. We are taking summing all these values, we get summation di square. That means you are adding all these values. So that is 0 plus 9 plus 49 plus 9 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. That is summation di square is equal to 104. So we know that the Spearman's rank correlation quotient is rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation di square by n into n square minus 1. So where already we found di square, summation di square equal to 104. Summation di square equal to 104. And the number of observations they are given 10 recuters. So that is n is equal to 10. Substitute here we get rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into, this is 10, 104 by 10 into 10 square minus 1. So we are simplifying this one, we get 10 into 10 square, 100 minus 1 is 99. Now we are simplifying. So this value is rho is equal to 0.3696. So which is known as the correlation between the two frequencies, the two given delta. Next problem is find the rank correlation quotient for the following data. So first of all they are given x and y values, same thing we are doing. Rank correlation quotient means we want to find out rho value. For this we are constructing the table. In the table we are taking x values and y values, right? And the given x values are 61, 82, 96, 40, 61, 82, 79 and 54. Next y values are 89, 70, 66, 74, 78, 70, 94 and 89. Okay, now we want to give the ranks of x and y values. The ranks of x and y values are represented by Rx. So see, the maximum value where we are having, we have to check it here. 61, 82, 96, 40, 61, 89, 79, 54. The first maximum value is 96. We are giving the rank is equal to 1. Next maximum value is 82 and 82. It is repeated 2 times. So it is repeated 2 times means it is in the place of second and third places, right? So for the giving the rank of this one, we are taking it is in second plus third place by 2 we are taking. Okay, so 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 2.5. For both 82s we are giving the same rank. So this is 2.5 as well as this is also we are taking 2.5. Okay, so it is repeated. For repeated we are doing like this. Next maximum value is equal to 79. The next rank is equal to 2, 3 already completed. The next rank is we are giving 4. Next, after this one again we are having 61 and 61. 61 and 61 is also repeated 2 times. So it is in the place of 5 and 6th place. For 5th and 6th ranks we are having both are 61. So for this also that can be written as 5 plus 6 by 2. 5 plus 6 by 2 is equal to 5.5. For both the 61s we are giving the same rank. So that is 5.5 and 5.5. That means 5th and 6th ranks both are completed. The next rank is, the next maximum is equal to 54. We are giving for that one is 7. Right? Next value is 640. We are giving next rank is equal to 8. So these are the ranks for x values. Next we are doing the ranks for y. So that is represented by Ry. So see the maximum value here. So which one is the maximum? 94 is the maximum. For maximum value we are giving the rank is equal to 1. And the next maximum is 89. So 89 is we are having 2 times. So this one and this one. So that means second and third positions we are having 2 times. So that can be written as 2 plus 3 by 2, that is also equal to 2.5. For both 89s we are giving the same rank, so that is 2.5 and 2.5. And the next maximum is equal to 78. We are having only 1 time. We are giving the next rank. So this is second and third position. The next is fourth position. We are giving the rank is 4. So next, the next maximum is equal to 74. It is in 1 time only. So we are giving next rank is 5. Next maximum is 70. 70 also repeated 2 times. So repeated 2 times, it is in the place of 6th and 7th place. So already 5 ranks we are given. So this is 6th and 7th place. It is repeated twice. So that can be written as 6 plus 7 by 2. That is 6.5. So that can be written as 6.5. And here also we are giving same rank 6.5. And the remaining 66 only 1 time. 6th and 7th ranks are completed. The next rank is equal to 8. Okay. So we are giving ranks like this. So now we have to see that any one of the rank is repeated or not. Here in Rx 2 ranks are repeated. In Ry also 2 ranks are repeated. Okay. So next we are taking the difference of these 2 ranks Rx and Ry, that can be represented by Di is equal to Rxi minus Ryi. Right? Now we are taking the difference of these 2 values. 5.5 minus 2.5 is 3. 2.5 minus 4.5 is minus 4. 1 minus 8 is minus 7. 8 minus 5 is 3. 5.5 minus 4 is 1.5. 2.5 minus 6.5 is minus 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 7 minus 2.5 is 4.5. So now we are squaring this one. We get di square. So di square is 3 square 9 minus 4 whole square 16 minus 4 whole square 16. 7 square 49. 3 square 9. 1.5 square 2.25 minus 4 square 16. 3 square 9. 4.5 square, that is 20.25. Okay. So now we are taking the summation of this one. We get di square value. So di square means we are adding all the values equal to 130.5. Okay. So now in Spearman's rank correlation quotient, the repeated ranks formula can be written as rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation di square plus mi into mi square minus 1 by 12 whole by n into n square minus 1. Or this is also can be written as rho equal to 1 minus 6 into summation di square. So this can be written as tx plus ty by n into n square minus 1. Where tx is equal to, we are taking mi into mi square minus 1 by 12. So x values, repeated roots, how many we are having, we have to see that. So in this x values, 2.5 is repeated 2 times and 5.5 is repeated 2 times. So 2 ranks are repeated twice. Okay. Here mi means how many ranks are repeated. So in x values, 2 ranks are repeated 2 times. So for first one we are taking 2 into 2 square minus 1 by 12 plus, and 5.5 is also repeated 2 times. So that can be written as 2 into 2 square minus 1 by 12. We are simplifying this one. We get this value is 1. Next step, for ty, in ty also how many repeated roots, repeated ranks we are having, we have to see that. So in that can be written as mi into mi square minus 1 by 12. So in y ranks, 2.5 is repeated 2 times and 6.5 is repeated 2 times. So that is 2 into 2 square minus 1 by 12 plus 2 into 2 square minus 1 by 12. Just simplifying, we are getting that value is 1. So now these values we are substituting into the formula. Therefore, rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation di square. Already we know that summation di square is 130.5 plus tx and ty. Tx is equal to 1 and ty is 1. 1 plus 1 by n into n square minus 1. N is the number of observation. Here we are having 8 observations, that can be written as 8 into 8 square minus 1. This can be, we are simplifying, we get this value is equal to minus 0.5575. So this is the value of rho. So this rho is always lies between minus 1 and plus 1 only. Next problem. Find the rank correlation quotient for the following data. They are given x and y values. We want to find out rank correlation quotient. For finding this rank correlation quotient, first we have to give the ranks of x and y values. For this we are constructing the table. X values and y values we are taking. X values are 68, 64, 75, 50, 64, 80, 75, 40, 55 and 64. Next we are taking y values 62, 58, 68, 45, 81, 60, 68, 48, 50 and 70. giving the ranks of x and y values. The ranking of x values we are denoted by Rx. So now we are selecting the first maximum value from x values: 68, 64, 75, 50, 64, 80, 75, 40, 55 and 64. So 80 is the maximum value. We are giving rank is 1. Right? So the next maximum is equal to 75, and 75 is repeated 2 times. So it is in second and third place. So that can be taken as 2 plus 3 by 2. So that value is equal to 2.5. For both the values, we are giving rank is 2.5 only. Next maximum value is 68 is the next maximum. So the next rank is equal to, after 2 plus 2 and 3 we are having 4. So we are giving rank is 4. Next, the next maximum is for 64. 64 we are having 1, 2 and 3. 3 times we are having. So the places of 64 is, after 4 we are having 5, 6 and 7. 5, 6 and 7th places we are having 64. So now we are taking the average, 5 plus 6 plus 7 by 3. Okay. So that is 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18, 18 by 3 is equal to 6. For all 64s we are giving the same rank, that is 6, 6 and 6. Okay, repeated 3 times we are doing like this. We are taking the average of their places that can be substituted here, 6, 6 and 6. The next maximum is 55. So then after 5, 6, 7 places we are having 8th rank. So we are giving, this is the rank 8. Next maximum 50. After 8 we are getting 9. Next rank for 40, that is 10. Okay. Now we are giving the ranks for y values, that is we are represented by Ry. Right? So now for R values, which one is the maximum? We have to select 60, 62, 58, 68, 45, 81 and 81 is the maximum. We are giving the rank of 81 is 1. Next, the next maximum is 70. We are giving rank is 2. Okay. After that we are having 68 is the next maximum. But 68 is repeated 2 times. It is in third and fourth position. We are taking the average. 3 plus 4 by 2, which is known as 3.5. So that is 3.5 and this is 3.5. And after 68 we are having 62 is the maximum. Already third and fourth positions are completed. The next rank is we are giving 5. Okay. Next maximum 60 we are giving 6. And the next maximum is 58 we are giving 7. And the next maximum for 50 we are giving 8. And 45 we are giving 9. And for 45 we are giving 10. Okay. Likewise, we are giving the ranks of a given data. So next, we are finding DI. DI is difference between two ranks RXI minus RYI. Okay, the deviations of two ranks. So now we are finding the deviation 4 minus 5 is minus 1, 6 minus 7 minus 1, 2.5 minus 3.5 minus 1, 9 minus 10 minus 1, 6 minus 1, 5, 1 minus 6 minus 5, 2.5 minus 3.5 is minus 1, 10 minus 9, 1, 8 minus 8, 0, 6 minus 2, 4. Now we are finding DI square values. That means we are taking the square of these DI values. Minus 1 whole square is 1, 1, 1, 1. 5 square is 25. Minus 5 whole square 25. 1, 1. 0 square 0. 4 square is 16. So now we are taking summation of this one. So that means you are adding all the values in DI square. So that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 25 plus 25 plus 1 plus 1 plus 16. So that is the summation di square is 72. Right? And see here how many roots are repeated in x values. So in x values, see here 2.5 2 times we are having, and 6 is 3 times we are having. 2.5 is here you have to write down in x ranks. 2.5 is repeated 2 times and 6 is repeated 3 times. In y values, ry, so the number of ranks are repeated, only one rank is repeated, that is 3.5. So 3.5 is repeated 2 times, and summation di square is equal to 72, and number of observations n. So total number of observations are there given 10 observations. So n can be taken as 10. Now we want to write down the formula for repeated roots in a Spearman's rank correlation quotient. So that is rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation di square plus tx plus ty by n into n square minus 1. Again here tx can be written as mi square minus 1. That means in x values are repeated roots. In x values 2.5 is repeated 2 times, that can be written as 2 into 2 square minus 1 by 12 plus 6 is repeated 3 times. So now that can be written as 3 into 3 square minus 1 by 12. Okay. Now we are simplifying this one. This value is equal to 0.5 plus, and 3 into 3 square minus 1, 3 into 8. So 3 into 3 square minus 1 by 12, that value is equal to 2. So we are adding these two values, we get 2.5. Same as it is we are finding for ty also. So ty can be written as, only one root is repeated 2 times. So that can be written as 2 into 2 square minus 1 by 12. Here we are having by 12, I forgot. So ty equal to 2 into 2 square minus 1 by 12. So that value is equal to 0.5. Okay. So now we get tx and ty. Already we know summation di square 72 and n equal to 10. We are substituting in rho. So therefore rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation di square, that is 72 plus 2.5 tx value plus 0.5 ty value by n into n square minus 1. We are having 10 observation. So 10 into, so that is 10 into 10 square minus 1. So now we are simplifying this one. We get Spearman rank correlation quotient rho value. We are simplifying here. We are simplifying this one, we get 0.5606. Okay. So this is the given data Spearman's rank correlation, and this rank is lies between -1 and +1 only.